Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to find the largest of three numbers using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here sharp include the comment to find the largest of three numbers. We have here the title, largest of three numbers in Python, print, and then in this portion of our code we are taking inputs from the user, first number, second number, and then third number. The first number will be stored in our variable num1, second number will be num2, third number in num3. Now using conditional statement here, we are comparing the three values. If num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3, the largest is num1. Else if num2 is greater than or equals to num1 and num2 is greater than equals to num3, the largest is num2. So this is the second condition. The first condition we have here, if num1 greater than or equal to num2 and num1 is greater than num3, the largest is num1. And then lastly we have here the largest is num3. And then here we display the result. The largest number is largest, assignment statement, and then end of our program. So I'm using PyCharm in writing this program. It is community edition that is free to download in their website, JetBrains. So let us run our program. Okay, so largest of three numbers in Python, enter first number, let's say we have 7, second number -5, third we have 3, so the largest number is 7, end of program. Let us run again. For the second time around, we have 100, second number 300, third number we have 320, so the largest number is 320, end of program. I will put a link in the video description of this tutorial video where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.